love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for a Hakka song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and this next band you're about to hear is called Urban Cat. They were formed in 2015, and their music is known to be urban folk rock, where city people can hear the laid-back vibe of the country, and country folk can hear the charm of the city. The song we're hearing is called Chang Chang Bong Bong Gay, which mixes the Hakka and Mingnan languages together. Now, the lyrics describes how in everyone's life, they will at times feel lost and lonely, but through willpower and conviction, one needs to stand up again. 我们今天要介绍的歌曲呢，是来自于日本猫 Urban Cat 的一首青青黄黄的 or 强强蹦蹦 gay。这歌词里面呢，是描述着每一个人的生活呢，在追逐梦的过程中，都必然会有一些茫然跟寂寞。不过呢，要靠一些意志跟信念呢，再重新站起来了。我们现在来听这一首强强蹦蹦 gay。
차 윤게 모습 찬망이 쓰젠만 쓰젠 반파 찬망이 심장 개파 먹고 님감쇼 허공이 뜬긴 phải một tay con
很好听啊，这首强强蹦蹦 gay， 而且还真的有闽南语耶，感谢你。但是我要在这边跟你说，俺子 say， 我们下次再见喽。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.